Well, I grew up here, so we rode horses quite often, almost daily. Hiked the mountains, which led to painful knees. I actually had bone on bone, and it just kept getting worse with arthritis. Got to the point where I couldn't hike anymore, couldn't do normal daily chores, and I'm very active. I read a bunch, the new procedure, Navio, had a couple of other friends who had had the procedure done, and I was very impressed with the recovery time, which was important to me. And I stumbled upon the Phoenix Spine and Joint. There is literally, I have no pain. I had full range of motion in about 6 weeks. And now I can do pretty much anything, pain-free. I'm back full. I'm hiking, I'm biking. Really, there's no limit. If you want personal care with truly, one-on-one, there's no other choice. Phoenix Spine and Joint is amazing.